Oops.
Okay. Hi folks, welcome back to Budgie's Bus. Been a while, but as you all know, we've had a lot of trouble with the insurance company with the motorhome.
That's an understatement.
Yeah, as most of you know, we had the engine fire. Nearly a year, 13 months ago now.
Yeah.
And it took the insurance company 5 bloody months dragging their feet to even consider doing the claim. During that 5 months, unfortunately, we got rats in the motorhome which chewed everything up. So we put a complaint in about it. The insurance company argued, saying, you're not insured for rodents, you're not insured for rodents. It's not our fault, it's a garage fault. And I stuck to my guns and I kept saying, no, you have a duty of care for my vehicle. And they wouldn't accept it. So I called them last week, wasn't it?
Yep.
And told them, look, the complaint's been going on now for well over 4 months. It's time for me to go to the Ombudsman. And lo and behold, the motorhome was picked up from the garage the other week. Last week, wasn't it? Last week. And we got a call yesterday and they offered us a payout. Well, the payout was a ridiculous figure. So I told them, no way, I wouldn't accept that. I told them what the value of the vehicle was and how much it would cost to replace today. So they said, oh, we'll have to come back to you. So they came back and they offered me 10 grand more. And I turned around and said, no, forget it, not interested. Then they said, okay, we'll offer you another 5 grand. I said, no. We ended up getting them up to, well, I won't tell you the figure because you don't need to know that. But we got them up to almost what their valuers said it was worth. So the good news is we paid a deposit on a new motorhome. We're not telling you what it is or anything. It's going to take 2 weeks for it to go through all the habitation checks and all their normal rigmarole. Let's just say it's better than my last one.
We'll soon be on the road.
Oh, we'll soon be out and about. Oh, I'm a happy little bunny. Yeah. So yeah, it is great. So we're getting it from Motorhome Depot, and I made an offer last night, 10 grand less than what they were asking. They came back this afternoon and they said, well, you can't take that much because you got finance, this, that and the other. We'll take 5 grand less. And I said, oh, okay then, yeah, all right. But they're going to throw in a brand new safari room on it. So that's a little bit of the perk extra. So, yeah, there we are. Good news is we did get the payout. It took a lot of arguing and a lot of pushing.
Yeah.
They kept blaming the garage for the rats and everything, but it was their fault the rats got in because it took 5 months to make a decision. The garage didn't get the go-ahead to do the work until the middle of December. So it's great news. I'm happy. Oh, it's better than sex. Okay, there you go, folks. That's the good news. So as soon as we get up there and pick it up, we'll give you a little tour.
You have sex?
Sometimes. If I can book an appointment. Yeah, so yeah, in 2 weeks, it's going to take 2 weeks. So as soon as we get up, we'll actually give you a tour and you can see what we've got. It's, let's just say it's only 5 years old. It's only done 5,000 miles. And we're the second owners. So that is it. It's not a Concorde, I can tell you that. We wanted a Concorde, but you just can't get them at the moment. They're so stupid price. But what we've got is almost as good, if not better. In my opinion, I'm happy. I'm all right.
Plus we won on the lottery.
Oh yeah, we won the lottery this week. Well, the postcode lottery. A great big whocking £15. So that was the same day. We heard that the same day we got the good news for the camper.
Yeah.
Yeah, so there we go. Bit of good news for us. I hope you're as happy as we are that we're going to be back on the road and be able to start putting up some more videos. Sorry my hands are shaking, but I'm getting old. This phone this long takes it out of me.
It's not
All right.
It's all exciting.
Yeah, I know. Whoa. Okay, thanks a lot for watching, guys. I'll catch you again soon. All the best. Bye-bye.
Bye.